Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Professional Civil Engineers. I am Engineer Shamsur Rahman, and today we will discuss the second part of the rapid fires of building material. Okay, in this, uh, first is consistency of OPC. Okay, ordinary Portland cement. So consistency of OPC is 25%. uh, timber type which is 5 centimeter by 10 centimeter, it is called strip, and the timber which is 5 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter, it is bulk. Okay, now if you have question that most valuable timber is what, there would be options that it is shisham, teak wood, deodar, etc. Then you would select the teak. Okay, maximum resistance against white ant, it is shisham. Okay, these are two important MCQs. Maximum resistance provided against ants by shisham. Okay, but the most valuable timber is teak, and teak is also used in furnitures. Okay, plywood thickness, it is from 3 to 4 mm. Plywood is made of teak wood. Okay, so you can see that most valuable timber is teak wood, and plywood is also made of teak wood. Spirit varnish is made of spirit and shellac. Oil varnish is made of resin, oil and turpentine. Most fire resistant paint, this is asbestos paint. The paint which gives more fire resistance to paint, is asbestos paint. Okay, gypsum. How gypsum is formed? Gypsum is formed by mechanically formed sedimentary rocks. Slate is formed by metamorphic action on shale. Okay, shale is sedimentary rock, but by metamorphic action, it is changed to slate, which is metamorphic rock. Quartz, most weather resisting characteristics. Compact sandstone, it has more fire resisting characteristics. These are two types of rocks. Okay, quartz have most weather resisting characteristics, and compact stone have more fire resisting characteristics. Now, crushing strength of good building stone is 100 megapascal, and crushing strength of good brick is 10.5 megapascal. Now you can imagine that how much stone is strong than brick. Timber offer maximum resistance to white ant is shisham. Already we discussed here, you can see. Okay, now star shakes, radial shakes, heart shakes, these are the defects of timber. Okay, are the diseases of timber. And what is star shakes? The radial split, which are wider on outside of the log and narrower towards the pith. Pith is the center of timber. Okay, timber is in layers, like for example like these layers, and the mid point is pith. So these radial splits are wider or on our outside but narrower towards the pith. So this is called star shakes. Chill and deodar, these are soft woods. Okay, types of soft woods. Honeycombing in concrete is something else, but honeycombing in timber It is due to seasoning. This is the defect of disease of timber. Foxiness, this is also a disease of timber, and it is caused due to over maturity. First class timber age is more than 10 years. Okay, alumina and brick earth, it impart plasticity. What is the function of alumina and brick? It gives plasticity to the brick. Now excess of alumina in brick earth. Okay, now as we discussed before, that the function of alumina in brick is to give it plasticity, but if it is in excess quantity, then it causes cracks and warp on drying. Excess of silica cause brittleness. Okay, silica makes the brick to retain shape. Okay, so function of silica is to retain its shape, retain the shape of a brick. But if it is in excess quantity, then it would give the brittleness to the brick. Kneading, the process of mixing the clay, water and other ingredients, this is called kneading. But the harmonious mixing of clay is blending, where we discussed before. We already discussed this before. Yeah, blending, this was in the harmonious mixing of clay ingredients. This was in the part 1 video of the rapid fires of building material. Okay, so the process of mixing the clay, it is kneading, burning turn over, and kiln burning turn over. There are two types of kilns. Okay, we are preparing, we are burning the bricks in two types of kilns. One is flame burning, and in this we could get the turnover. This is 60 to 70%. I mean, we are getting 60 to 70% of bricks in good quality. Okay, the remaining 30%, these are the mixes of kacha bricks and overburnt bricks. But in kiln turnover, it is 80 to 90%. Pug mill, used for preparation of clay. Okay, if you have more clay and you cannot prepare it by hand, so then we are preparing this by pug mill. Okay, quicklime is calcium oxide. Okay, for today it's enough, and part 3 we will discuss the later. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 3. Allah Hafiz.